How to make sales funnels that make at least $10,000 per month. Plus, all in this video, you're gonna learn how to build sales funnels. You're going to get my 6K per day sales funnel, and you're gonna have your own $10,000 per month product. So let's get straight into it. What up guys, Ben Obrick here, back with another video. Really excited in this video because we're gonna talk about building sales funnels. You're gonna learn how to build sales funnels. I'm gonna give you access to my 6K per day sales funnel. As a matter of fact, I'll be showing you that as well. And you're going to have your own $10,000 per month product all in this video. So there's a few different elements of sales funnels, and of course, there's many different types of sales funnels. Some are designed for lower ticket products that are $20, $30, $40, up to $100. Some are really good for those $400, $500 products, while there's other types of sales funnels that are good for $500 to $2,000 products. And then once you're getting above 2K, there's an entirely different type of sales funnel. So I'm gonna break down the basic process and how you can build a really good, really profitable sales funnel, regardless of what your product, what your service is. If you're a mentor, if you're a coach, if you have a mentorship program, if you have a nutritional supplement, if you're doing coaching, if you have some sort of course, you're gonna learn how to build sales funnels all in this video. So the first thing is you have a landing page. This landing page is the very first page people see. Other people call it a squeeze page, landing page. Now, these colors are just to represent what I'm teaching here. By no means are they the specific colors that you want to be using, so they're just for instructional purposes, okay? You can do that when you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with sales funnels. I can make up my own colors. So on a landing page, you have a headline. This is what the red is here. You have a headline. What is it that they're getting? Okay, on a landing page, this is where you're going to try to entice the person to want to opt in, go to the sales page, and end up buying your product or service. So on the landing page, you have a headline that basically states what it is that they're getting. Oftentimes on landing pages, it's some sort of free offer, okay? Or it's some sort of offer for a very low priced product, okay? A lot of people like to lead with free, and I think that's really good because you want to get people into the pipeline first, and then once you kind of have their information and a little bit more leverage, then you can upsell. So this headline, for example, is best online businesses start in 2020, how to make your first $10,000 online in the next 30 days. That's what this red part would say, okay? Best online business to start in 2020, how to make $10,000 in the next 30 days. That's what the red part would say. And then this little black right here is like, even if you're brand new, even if you have no tech skills, and regardless of how old you are, okay? Even if you're brand new, even if you don't have tech skills, regardless of how young or old you are. Okay, so you've got that headline. Now this headline right here, okay? You're going to have that here. You're going to have that congruency through the entire funnel. So people see that redundancy, they see that repetitiveness. They're like, oh, okay, so here's what it's about, here's what it's about, here's what it's about, here's what it's about. This little black part, that's just supportive text under it, okay? Best online business model to start in 2020, how to make your first $10,000 online in the next 30 days, guaranteed. Even if you're brand new, even if you have no tech skills, even if you think you're too young or too old, in smaller letters. Now, oftentimes we usually have a picture here, okay? Opt-in forms, landing pages, squeeze pages that have a picture statistically have a higher opt-in rate. When you put a face to the name, it creates more trust. People are like, this is the guy, this is the woman who's giving me whatever it is, okay? And usually this is some sort of like free PDF on how to XYZ, or it's an ebook, okay? Or it's a mini course, something like that, okay? Now this is where they have the name that they put in, their email that they put in, and phone number to put in, okay? The phone number part right here, this is optional. I like to have phone numbers because even if they don't go on to buy the product or the service that I'm selling, I now have another method of contact other than email. I have more control. I can get into their inbox. I can get into their voicemail. I can send them texts. I'm able to hopefully establish more contact with that person that didn't buy, so I can turn them into a sale at some point in the future through follow-up, okay? Now, a lot of people don't put phone numbers on their landing pages. That's fine. You'll have a higher opt-in rate without phone numbers because a lot of people are like, I don't really want to give my phone number, or sometimes they'll put a fake number. But the better you make this landing page and the more strong you make this offer, the more serious you come across and the higher your value is perceived, the more likely people are to put a phone number in and give you a real one. So I like to have phone numbers, okay? And then this little blue part would just be the button to like submit. They go on to the next page. Now you're gonna have supportive text, okay? You wanna have little bullet points. This part right here, the job of this is to incentivize them further and to give more support to make them want to opt in, okay? So I've said, my claim here, my headline is best online business model to start in 2020. Guaranteed to make $10,000 in the next 30 days or something like that. Best online business model to start in 2020. How to make your first $10,000 online in the next 30 days. Even if you're brand new, blah, 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 okay? You're gonna have, maybe right here it says, my blueprint, already doing $100,000 per month in personal sales for me and $10,000 per month or beyond for all of my students. Guaranteed method, 5-step process. Okay, and people are like, oh, okay, I like that. I'm gonna get a blueprint, I'm gonna get a 5-step process. He's got people that he's already teaching that are making $10,000 per month. Okay, I'm gonna opt in, okay? If you're loving this video so far, make sure you smash that like button right now. Really appreciate that. And in a little bit here, as promised, I'm going to show you, and as a matter of fact, you're gonna have the ability to get my $6,000 per day funnel for free, and you're gonna have your own $10,000 per month product, all in this video. Really excited about this. And hey, if you're brand new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, highly consider subscribing. I'm here to help you get that multiple 7 and that 8-figure information. I'm done with 6 figures. I'm done with 7 figures. Did multiple 7s in 2019. And honestly, once you've earned $1 million, you're gonna realize in this business, there's a lot more than just $1 million to earn. There's a lot more people that wanna pay you for help in whatever industry that you're in. You can create a course, a digital product, a service, put it on a sales funnel and be wildly profitable, help a lot of people, and allow them a better option or alternative compared to spending $40,000 per year on student loans that land them a job making $40,000 per year, okay? So this can work for you, and if you wanna learn these type of skills, if you wanna learn how to refine, define, optimize your sales process, if you want to learn how to grow immensely profitable with social media, how to run ads properly, and truly how to have a wildly profitable online business in 2020, then highly consider subscribing. I'm your guy for that. People come to me to build wildly profitable business, and I want you to be able to have the chance to get all of the right information. So make sure you subscribe. Take a moment to subscribe right now. So once they've gone from the landing page and decided to opt in, now they're on the sales page. Now there's many different types of sales pages. I'm gonna go over the elements here. So once again, congruency. You have the headline here, headline here. People are able to affirm, once again, this is what I'm getting. Best business model to start in 2020, how to make your first $10,000 online in the next 30 days, even if you're brand new, even if you have no tech skills, no matter how old or young you are. Now you're gonna have your supporting bullet points right here again. Now this right here can be a picture of you. Oftentimes though, this is a video, and this would be called a VSL, a video sales letter. A video explaining what the offer is a little bit more, upselling them, and then having sales copy to support this. So just to backtrack a little bit, usually what you're doing here is you're having a hook here where they're gonna get some sort of free PDF, ebook, or mini course, okay? So once they opt in, you now have their name, you now have their email, and their phone number if you decided to put that on. When they get to here, I like to have oftentimes a video that says, hey, congratulations, I'm super excited for you to get your hands on the XYZ PDF on how to do XYZ in the next XYZ amount of days. As a matter of fact, that is already on its way to your email. It will arrive in just a few minutes. Now don't go anywhere. We have something very important to discuss pertaining to your financial success online, and I'm gonna explain it all in this video. And so now what I've just told them via video is, hey, your free thing is on its way in your email. It should arrive soon. We've got something really important to discuss, and this is where I'm going to go into a few little details about a little bit of a story. I'm going to relate to them. I'm going to introduce an opportunity for them to buy this product at a substantial discount. It's available nowhere else other than this page for this price. As a matter of fact, students have gone on to create such amazing results with this that you guarantee that in the next 2 weeks, they're going to be able to 10x their results with this and having this to be able to build off of what they got here for free. It's only going to enhance and 10x what they're able to do with this. It's gonna make it 10 times better, 10 times faster, 10 times harder, 10 times more income, whatever the offer is, okay? And as a matter of fact, because I believe in this so strongly, I'm gonna back it up with a 14-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. If you don't even get half the results in the next 14 days that I'm promising here, you can shoot us an email and say, hey, I want my money back. We won't ask any questions. We'll click a button and send all your money back. And as a matter of fact, normally this goes for $297. Right now, today, and available only on this page right here, right now. Once this offer is gone, once you exit this page, you will not see it again. You're getting it for 85% off for just $47 right now today. And don't take it from me. Feel free to read the testimonials below. Now you've got a very important decision to make. You want the red pill or the blue pill? The blue pill being buy, buy, buy. And so that's what this sales page is. So you've gone from a landing page to a sales page where you're introducing what we call an OTO, a one-time offer. And you might be asking me right now, Ben, okay, what software, what tools do I use for this? Don't worry, I'm gonna get into that, and I'm gonna make sure you have your hands on this as well, so you can start doing this for yourself, and you're gonna have your own $10,000 product capable of $10,000 per month. It's understatement, okay? It'll be higher than that, but $10,000 a month, okay? Now with this, the rest of the elements here, once again, congruency, okay? A lot of times I'll have like a little important message pertaining to your success. Watch this video if you want X, Y, Z. Or something like, if you want to make $20,000 per month, watch this video, okay? I never, ever, ever am like, hey, special offer, watch the video. Nobody's gonna watch it because you're literally telling them, hey, I'm gonna sell you some shit here, okay? Let the video do the selling. Let the video tell the story. This video is only 2 or 3 minutes long. Once again, bullet points to support, bullet points here. You have a buy button right here. This is sales copy. This green is sales copy. So you're going a little bit further into depth. Plus, you're also gonna get this. And man, I struggled, okay? This is how it goes. Man, I struggled. I tried this, I tried this. And it dawned on me one day, what if I do this? I had this great idea. I started trying it. And as a matter of fact, people loved it so much. Take a look at the testimonials. Testimonial, they're not boobs. Testimonial. You got little pictures of students, of friends, of people that have gone through some of your product and had amazing results. You capture, could be text, could be a little video, could be a picture accompanied by a quote that they gave you, whatever, testimonials, okay? Another buy button, a little bit more copy, all right? Plus today you're gonna get bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. I'm so excited. Buy button, money back guarantee, another buy button, okay? That as a one-time offer sales page. Okay, once again, if you haven't already smashed that like button, do so now or forever hold your peace or whatever you want to hold, okay? Then they go to an order page. On this order page, it's where, once again, headline, this is what they're getting. Sometimes it has a couple options. Like maybe you have, this is $47 one time. Maybe, I don't do payment options on a $47 product, but maybe you had like 29 times 2, okay, which ends up being like $58 for you. If they make that second payment, you capture a little bit more money, raises the LTV, lifetime value of your customer, because they paid you more, okay? So maybe there's a couple of options, and they just check which one they want, and then they have first name, last name, all right? Address, city, state, zip code, okay? Name on credit card number, security code, expiration, date, boom, buy. They go on to a thank you page. Thank you page, once again, headline, here's what they're getting. A lot of times on thank you pages, you could have it just be like claim your product here. They click the button and then it goes and check mark. They're in the members area, or you're delivering them the product if it's shippable, whatever, Congratulations, we received your order. We'll notify you once it ships. If it's digital, members area. So now they're in the area where they can view your training and your videos and all your modules and all that stuff. I like to oftentimes here have a video. Congratulations, here's what to do next. There's a button below this video, click it. It's gonna take you into the members area. Here's what the members area looks like. Here's where you submit support tickets. Here's where you access your training. Here's where you can take the little quiz. Here's where you can watch the videos. Awesome, super excited for you, okay? That is how to build a sales funnel. That's how it works. Building sales funnels is one of the best skills you can have for online marketing. And if you have any product or service you want to sell online, you need a sales funnel, which takes me to this point, which I'm going to get into in a little bit, my 6K a day funnel and your own $10,000 a month product. This is super awesome. Now, a couple little intricacies, because I want to just drop the value here for you guys. Obviously, some people are going to hit this landing page and then they're going to bounce out. They're like, no. If you pixel this, and this is a topic for a whole nother discussion. As a matter of fact, we'll go into this in a little bit here as well. you can pixel this, which means you place like a Facebook or a Google Pixel. You know who hits the landing page, bounces out, and who hits the landing page and actually opts in and goes here, okay? I can run retargeting ads to the people that hit the landing page but didn't go to the next step, okay? Same thing here. Now they opt in, they go here, they don't buy the product. Now at this point, I have their email and phone. I can dial them up, and if they didn't buy this product, I can have a conversation with them, get them to buy. I can have an email retargeting sequence. I can get them to buy, okay? I can also take those emails, upload them to Facebook or YouTube, run ads directly to the people that opted in but did not buy. So now I'm retargeting them, incentivizing them to go back in and buy, giving them extra reasons why, okay? Now, obviously, there's some people that are going to click here and go to the order page, not actually complete the order. Same thing. I can retarget with emails. I can give them a call. I can get a sales team to give them a call. I can pixel them with ads. These are the things that make wildly profitable online sales funnels. This is why I'm telling you, $10,000 a month is an understatement, okay? So here's what I want to talk about next, and I got a bunch of bonuses here I'm going to be giving on this video in just a second here, okay? First of all, 6K a day funnel. Here is my funnel that when we launched it made $6,000 the first day, made $7,200 the next day. It's made me thousands of dollars per day since then. And that was all the way back in June of 2018. June or July of 2018. I think it was June. It was just after I'd sold my house. I think I just finished selling my house. We were on our way to Colorado. Yeah, I launched a sales funnel. I was in a bank getting cash out of the bank to buy this cool car that I wanted, and is like $6,000. I took like $8,000 out of the bank, and by the time I looked at my phone when I'm in the checkout line, I'd already made all that back while I was in the line. That's how awesome this is. That's this sales funnel. If you want access to that, there's a link in the description, okay? Click that link. What that link's gonna do is it's gonna take you to a presentation. It's a free presentation, and on that presentation, I'm gonna be showing you how to put together your own online course or your own $10,000 per month product, okay? On this training, I'm gonna be giving you this sales funnel so you can start implementing this and using it for yourself. So once again, I've included a link in the description if you wanna learn how to build sales funnels and how to make sales funnels and have a 6K per day funnel. Click the link in the description, attend this training. It's going to show you the pitfalls to avoid, the things that you want to do, the things that you don't want to do, how to price your products or services. Then you're going to get access to my 6K per day funnel for free, and you're going to know exactly how to put together your $10,000 per month product. The other thing, so make sure you click the link in the description. That's the most important thing, okay? The other thing I want to know from you guys in the comments is, what do you want to put a sales funnel together on? If you can let me know that in the comments, it's gonna help me to know what type of videos I need to make for you guys going out here on YouTube in the future, okay? So what product or service would you want to make your sales funnel for? Let me know specifically with detail in the comments so I can reply to those comments and so I can mark it down and know, okay, this is the video I'm gonna give my people on YouTube coming out here next day, next week, whatever, okay? So I wanna know that, all right? So make sure you let me know that in the comments. And go ahead and grab your 6K a day funnel, learn how to put together your own $10,000 per month product. Links in the description. Attend that free training, teaching you how and giving you this. So click the link in the description. I'll see you on that training.